Aventador, a Huracan Evo, new Huracan, and you get one car and you go around in a group following the instructor. Because there's 3 of you, there's always pussies who can't drive. Now, I'm good in a Lambo. There's something about a Lambo. I'm good in a Lambo. Like, I wouldn't even say genuinely, like, other cars, I'm a good driver. I've had a Lambo for 3 years. I know Lamborghini. So anyway, so we're racing with these other chiefs, whatever. We get to the end, and the guy who's driving at the front gets out, and he looks like a geek. He's 17. I was like, how old are you? He goes, 17. I got some scholarship with Lamborghini, and I've been driving since I was 5. How the fuck you been driving since you were 5? He's starting carts when they're young and all this shit. So he's racing for Lambo already. I was like, alright, cool. I was like, how fast were you going around the track? Like, in comparison to how fast you can go. He goes, I was driving with one hand, maybe 30%. And I said, and when I came back, I said to Viv, he wasn't driving with one hand. She goes, yeah, I saw him. He was on his phone. And it pissed me off. So we're all trying to keep up with him. And he's like, on his phone around the track. So when it was just me and him, I thought, I have to kick his ass. I have to teach him a lesson. And this is the closest I've ever come to stacking a car. So I said to myself, look, I don't press the brake lights till he presses the brake lights. I don't let off the accelerator till he lets off the accelerator. I follow him, and I'm not letting go. So we start going, and I'm on him, and I can see him starting to speed up and speed up. He wants to prove he's away from me. Well, obviously I'm not a race driver, but I'm crazy. So I'm on him, I'm refusing. And so we go around this corner and come out to take this other corner. And when we go out, around the bend, when we come out, we're both in Aventadors. My front right wheel touches the grass by maybe this much. Like this, on the bend. And I swear to God, I completely lost the car. They start going left, right. I was fully counter steering like this. It went completely all over the place. And I recovered it and kept going. And the guy kept racing. At the end, he goes, how the fuck did you save that? I was like, well, I don't know. I don't know. If you touch the grass by an inch, you fucking lose it.
How much is that car worth?
400 grand?
Fucking hell, man. That was expensive.
Whoa. But when I got control of it again, I was straight back on it. Because I knew how I fucked up, so I wasn't scared. I was like, alright, don't touch the grass. I was back on him again. And by the end of it, he goes, you can drive. He goes, you're the best driver I've seen on these in a long time. I was like, I'm just following you, bro. I don't know how they do it, but I just followed it.
Are you the best driver, or you just look crazy than anyone else?
More stupid.
Plus, you don't look like a fucking geek.
You look like a hell. Well, yeah, it was a badass thing. Driving Lambos aren't yours, it's someone else.